I'm Aaron and this is How-Tos with Aaron. Today we're running wire for some new can lights in a bathroom. Here's the bathroom. I had a regular light that was there on the wall. I want to add can lights. It's going to be one right there, one right there, and one right there. So of course we got to get wire to it. It's already connected to this switch going to right there. So we needed to get wire into the ceiling, into that spot. So here's what I did. I cut a hole into the wall enough to get my drill in, and drilled straight up, put a hole in the ceiling and drilled and tried to drill right into the hole that I drilled, because of course in that corner we got wood back in there that's holding up the second floor. And so we drilled into 2x4 there and the 2x6 up there. Drilled this way and this way and just tried to make a match. Then I fed my wire through. I'm going to tie it into this wire nuts and tape it up, and then run my wire to this light, get my hole cut, get the light installed, take the wire down that way, and just keep going, and boom, got wire. Alright, so I've got joist running this way, so I had to cut a hole to be able to drill in, run the wire through, send it down, and fed it back through. I've got to cut another hole there to be able to get my hand in and feed it through the joist and send it through that way, and save all of the pieces. So when I'm done, I'll send a 2x4 going across the way, put the piece back on, screw it up, and mud it up. These wires here, now that it's there, I'm going to cut into it and tie into it so that I can connect it to the light. Alright, so what that's looking like, I got my wire cut in half, got it ready for connecting right there, got it stripped, and we've got an extra piece of wire also ready to go. I'm going to put all three of these in together with a wire nut so that the power connects to this wire, so the light can connect to here, and it'll also still be connected here to send over to the next light. It's going to be the same thing on each light. Lather, rinse, repeat. Alright, so there we go. The light's working. Now it's just time to patch the sheetrock, get all my holes filled in. Also added a third switch for lights above where these mirrors are going to go, right above this box. Same type of process. So that's how I do it, and that's how you can do it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and the channel so you don't miss out on other videos on how to do other things. And be blessed. Hope this helps.